Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open Jupyter Notebook from CMD. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, open the Windows search bar, search for command prompt, and run it as administrator. Before launching Jupyter Notebook, make sure it is installed on your system. In the command prompt window, type pip install Jupyter and press enter. The installation process will begin. If Jupyter is already installed, the command should complete quickly. However, if this is your first time installing it, the process may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection and system performance. Once Jupyter has been installed successfully, you can launch it directly from command prompt. To do this, type python-m notebook and press enter. After running the command, wait a few moments while Jupyter Notebook starts. When the launch process is complete, your default web browser should open automatically. The Jupyter Notebook dashboard will appear, allowing you to create, open, and manage notebooks directly from your browser. And that's it. So that's basically how you can open Jupyter Notebook from CMD. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.